Hello again guys, welcome to a new video. It's a cloudy day here in Alberta, and now as you can see, it's a bit like almost a ghost town right here guys. See, you know what's going on around the Doe of Incope. I'll show you a quick one. I forgot something yesterday, so the only open, it's not like totally closed here guys, is some of the store are open and the restaurant. I was outside at the KFC, but I didn't go at the KFC. I went to 7-Eleven because I forgot something to buy yesterday, so I decided to do a quick walk around. And as you can see guys, it's a quiet guys. See, yeah, it's probably around the world it's like this, though of the Incope 19. Yeah, so yeah, as I can see, there's no gym as well, so I decided to walk around, and probably this video is a short one only guys, because I'm not totally sure if my gigabyte and my data is run out, and I'm gonna upload as much as I can, not probably in 1 week, probably 1 or 2 just for now. Yeah, see guys, it's a quiet. That's the bus right there. Yeah, and this afternoon is a bit cold, -8 I guess, so yeah, it's pretty quiet. We're here at the bus, one of the bus station here in Millwoods guys, so I don't know how long, so yeah, it's a bit quiet day and a bit louder. So the bus right here, yeah, so wait. There's supposed to be a gym facility over there, but it's closed. So yeah, just decided a quick around moving guys. And that one right there is yeah, back in days guys, about a year ago, that building right there is supposed to be a college school, but now it's belong to the Covenant Health Facility. That's the company that I work with. So probably okay, I don't know if this bus is the one I'm waiting for. So number 8, I don't know. Yeah, looks like that's the bus that I waited for guys. So I'll just a quick run right now. Finally I made it guys. We're in the bus right now. Yeah, good thing I didn't miss, because it's about Sunday there, so the bus is about every 1 hour, so it's a bit noisy. So yeah, we're inside of the bus. Thank you. Okay guys, we get off the bus, so one more thing, and then probably we call it a day. So nobody, it's all clear, so I go in the highway guys. It's so quiet. Yeah, it's totally a quiet day, guys. As you can see, eh? Yeah. Quiet, quiet, quiet. Looks like a ghost town, guys. So, yeah, a bit cold. It will look like the wind chill is coming in as well. Yeah, so probably we'll call it a day. Thank you for watching. See you next time, guys. Peace out.